Managing cloud licenses and invoices manually? It's time to simplify. Introducing the Pax8 Connector for Business Central, your seamless bridge between Pax8 and Business Central, designed for effortless license management, invoicing, and data synchronization. Easily import invoices from Pax8 with just a few clicks, ensuring accurate and automated financial processing. With the Pax8 Connector, managing cloud licenses and invoices has never been easier. No more time-consuming manual processes, just a fully automated solution that keeps your business running efficiently. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Whenever you have a new invoice from Pax8 to be processed, it will automatically be synced and visible on your Role Center, where you can view invoices registered today, unprocessed invoices, and payment due today. Save time with automated invoice processing. Effortlessly generate sales and purchase invoices directly in Business Central from Pax8. Stay up to date with automated synchronization of products, customers, invoices, and subscriptions, keeping your Business Central data accurate at all times. Save time with intelligent data mapping. The system automatically suggests matches for products and customers, allowing for quick approvals and effortless integration. Access historical invoices and generate detailed revenue reports with ease, giving you the insights needed to make informed business decisions. Monitor and view subscription statuses effortlessly with the built-in subscription tracking functionality. Easily track active, canceled, and expired subscriptions, all in one place, ensuring complete visibility over customer licenses. Ready to experience the benefits for yourself? Start your free trial today and see how effortless license management and invoicing can be.